What's up, YouTube? CJD here from Chris's Junkyard Designs. I'm going to start a challenge here called Towing the Line Challenge. Show your tow trucks and wreckers. I grabbed some Matchbox, some Hot Wheels, some Greenlight, a custom, some M2s, and I think that covers just about everything that I grabbed. So I tried to grab a little variety. There are different ones and models and stuff, so. Oh, just banged into that. That's not a good start. Hold on. All right. So we'll start off with this beauty right here. I think this is a Hot Wheels. No, this is a Matchbox. The Wheelin' Wrecker. It's got like tracks in the back. This thing's freaking badass looking, for sure. But it's definitely a tow truck. The only one I have of this. I don't know how many they've ever made, but not one I go after, and I have no idea where I got it. I don't remember. But it's pretty sweet. So very cool. All right, and now this one is a Majorette. It's a Chevy, but it doesn't tell you what it is, but it's a Chevy for sure. This thing's pretty sweet. Big boy. Got a little play value on it. But it's cool. I don't remember where I got this to. It had to be a yard sale or something, I'm sure. It's a beefy one. I believe, yeah, it's a metal base, metal body, metal base. Is it a metal base? I don't know. Maybe not. But I know it's awesome. I really like it. That's cool. We got a Majorette in there, too. I don't have too many Majorettes. We got this baby. I like these kind. This is a Hot Wheels. What's it called again? Yeah, the Heavy Hitcher. I really like these. These are one of my favorite tow trucks the Hot Wheels does. I will grab every one of these I see. This one's sweet in the chrome. Very cool looking tow truck. You got the glass in the front and the top, and the windshield, the front lights and the top lights. It's so cool. And we have another one of that, another variation, a Sada Garage. Heavy Hitcher. That one's really cool. Red, white, and blue. We'll go back to we go to Matchbox and do the Urban Tow Truck. Another cool casting. I believe I only have a couple of this one. I've seen too many of these. And this one as well, you get the front lights and the top light for the windshield, which is cool. Like the wheels on that. I have another variation here. This red one. The yellow looks really good. go back to Hot Wheels. It doesn't tell you what it is, so it's some kind of wrecker tow truck. I don't remember what it's called. But I have like 3 or 4 of this kind. That's a final run, this one. Just noticed that. Final hoist. 2002. I stopped that one a long time ago. Very nicely done. And I got this older one. I don't remember if this was from when I was a kid or not. I'm not sure. That one's really cool looking too. Really like that one. The black walls. Very cool. And we have Matchbox again. GMC Wrecker. One of my favorite tow trucks. I just grabbed one of these too. I don't remember if I opened it or not, because I don't see it in this box. If I put it in another box, I don't remember. I know I have more tow trucks somewhere else. I didn't bring them all out, but once I get more cases, that's another thing that's had to be organized. All my emergency vehicles, tow trucks, buses, all have to be put in one spot. This one's cool in NYPD in black. I have another variation. This was from when I was a kid, and I remember this being one of my favorite trucks to play with. Frank's tow truck, Getty. Love this vehicle. I had that car a long time. Cool piece. Definitely. All right, let's do some green lights. I believe these are green lights. I'm pretty sure they are. Yep. And this one is called, hold on, the 70 Chevrolet C30. I have a couple of more of these in my cart from 3000 Toys. I'm just waiting to pull the trigger. There's a bunch of stuff at 3000 Toys that I'm going to order. And there's 2 more tow trucks in there that I wanted that are just like this. I love this tow truck. I have 3 of these right now. This is the Texaco. It looks awesome. Very cool piece. You do a great job on these tow trucks. And I have it in the Golf. I had to get that one. I hope they do a shell one. I think that's what I have in my cart. Yeah, there is a shell one. That's the new one that came out. There's a shell one, so I got that in my cart to order. They have a whole shell set coming out. And Greenlight is out, actually. And I got that, the GT40 and something else. I don't remember what the other car was. I don't like the other ones in the set. Yeah, this thing's sweet. I can't wait to get the shell one. Very cool looking truck. Okay, what's this one called? And this is another green light. This is a 68 Volkswagen Type 2. The tow truck in the back. Very cool. Yeah, I broke one of the lights off. I have it somewhere. I gotta glue it back on. One of those orange lights snapped off. Thought I threw it in the bed, but it's not there. That one's really cool. And then this one's one of my favorite pieces. I've shown this a couple times. It's suspension. And they've done a bunch of different older vehicles like this. I'd love to get the whole collection of them someday. All different work vehicles like this. I love these things. So someday I'll acquire them. It's pretty cool looking. Really like it. And that wire piece will come out of there and go in the back. And that's the tow truck part, the towing hitch. But I love it. And the Spectraflame blue looks great. The neoclassic wheels on it look great on it. The red line, love it. Yep, that's a very cool piece. This is a custom I did a while ago for, it was something Caliber 50 Customs put out to combine and make a tow truck out of a couple castings. I think I made this out of 3 or 4 castings. But old dirty junkyard truck. Came out pretty cool. You can just see that slamming around in a junkyard, ripping cars out of there, and all dirty, and but pure power. Put a little chain in the front, and as part of a chain in the back too, in case I need to pull something out with a chain. Sitting right there. So pretty cool. She's a roller. Yep. And that's a premium piece too. So it's got a metal base on it. Let's do a couple M2s. 49 Studebaker 2R tow truck. Thing's sweet. Love this one. Love the Studebakers. I have a bunch of them in M2. I get almost every single one I see. Very cool casting. This one's really nice. Okay, and then we got another one. 53 Chevy 3100 tow truck. Very cool piece from M2. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this challenge. I hope you guys participated in it. I think it's pretty cool. We all love our tow trucks. I know everybody does. So let's see what you got. Bring them out. All makes, models, don't matter. Quantity don't matter. Anything you want. All right. Take care, guys. Have a great night.